Hi everyone, so today I'm going to share with you my hair care routine, and I mainly use rice water. I'll talk about that later. I use that rice water to make my hair grow fast and look amazing, have bigger volume. Yeah, stick with me and we'll see the results together, and yeah, you can try it too at home. This is how my hair looks before I apply the rice water, and this is after I've applied the rice water. You just take some rice, it doesn't have to be much. You wash it first, then find a container, put the rice in a container and add some water, which is also not much. Then mix up the rice with the water until the water gets white, and then cover the container and keep it away for 1 to 3 days. So I put the rice water in the hair for 2 to 8 hours. You spray the rice water in your hair and make sure that it gets on the scalp and all the hair is wet. After 3 hours, I'm going to wash my hair with shampoo, conditioner, and I'll put some hair mayonnaise. This is the shampoo that I use. It's a 2-in-1, a shampoo and a conditioner. Hair mayonnaise. After washing my hair with a shampoo and a conditioner, I apply my hair mayonnaise. You just take it and rub in your hands and then spread in the hair and make sure it touches the scalp and all the hair is covered. After putting the hair mayonnaise in my head, I'm done washing my hair. I'm going to make it dry and then apply some black castor oil, and yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'm done drying my hair. I'm going to apply the black castor oil. When I'm applying the black castor oil, I make sure that I apply it on the scalp to make sure that it's absorbed in the hair. After applying the black castor oil, I apply my usual hair food. Yeah, just a small amount. Then I comb my hair. I also use a hair dryer to make sure that the hair food and the black castor oil are well displayed throughout the hair, to make sure that everything is fine. After washing my hair, you can see that it has increased in volume. It's not as thin as it was before. The scalp is clean, the hair is clean and soft. Yeah. Thank you. See you next time.